Let's try Korean makgeolli. This is actually my first time to try flavored makgeolli. So for this video, we have tried two flavors. One, which is flavored peach or peach flavor.
As in, dili na ko ma-taste iyahang pagka makgeolli. Ano lang gid siya. More on peach, tapos murag water na lang. Nga gibutang ang flavor.
The second one is the grape or white grapes flavor. Let's try it out.
Seryoso?
Looking forward ako para pag
This one smells. This one smells good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang 22 kag ang 24 parehas lang.
This one has a taste of grapes gyapon, pero ano,
Wala.
grapes gyapon pero murag candy sa una, I don't know. Nga pagbata na to.
Muna masadya sila.
So, which among these two? I would go for the white grapes. Thank you so much for watching, creatives. God bless.